Man, it's raining. It get boring in Chillbird when it rains, just so y'all know. This nigga. Look by the air conditioner right there.
Okay.
See the orange wire? Extension cord.
Nigga, no.
Watch your head now. Watch your head.
Stay for the
Yeah, they can blow something up.
And here we have. Nigga, you can park in the normal spot. You can park in the normal spot.
Nigga went to Jack's and McDonald's, nigga.
Nigga, I gotta
Hell
go in
no.
that bitch tonight, but it's all good. I'm on Saturday.
Bruh, like, what's the deal for on Thursday? You working next Thursday?
I don't know yet.
Oh, that's that nigga what my last set was on benches with.
245.
Wait till the next video, though.
That shit is going on, cause I just noticed those legs, dog. You did some shit, dog.
Wait till the next video, man. I'm trying to tell you. You should saw me in the fucking weight room. No, at Walmart, nigga.
Yeah.
In the parking lot. I went the fuck off in that big one, man.
What side I reached for? I said.
And trying to play this shit out. Oh my god.
I'm just gonna walk in the house.
Yeah, man, that's how the video went though, and all that. So.
No fucking lie. No lie. I just went in the room and regular shows on. It was some baby ducks, nigga, karate chopping each other in the
Oh, I seen that show. Yeah. Cause they been chilling. They chilling with
Mordecai and Rig. But hey, I just went in there and looked at the TV. That's all I seen. Bam, bam. Judo chop.
Judy chop.
Bitch. Judy chop, nigga.
Oh my god.
What's wrong with you, Trent? Get ratchet slapped, man. You gotta step into, bitch.
Oh wow.
What's a ratchet slap? Like this, bitch.
It's a jab.
It's a ratchet slap. This for the ratchet hole. They get ratchet, bitch. Bow, just slap their ass all in the mouth. You gonna be sitting there goddamn going like, ah shit.
Normally you be trying to remember when you. Fuck it. I saw a blue raccoon one time. That shit on trouble.
Damn.
What I tell you? What did I tell you?
Batman. Somebody could have fucking told me
Told you what?
to get in on this side, but you jackasses let me walk around the fucking car.
I didn't see you.
Hey, what?
You've been nominated.
You guys are fucking dicks.
Dick.
I see you here now and then. I see these just like my nephew. Always over. And nephew Johnson, Stevie, who is that? Oh, there ain't nobody but Johnson. He cool. Sometimes I come out, sometimes I leave them out. They be over here chilling. Yeah, that's what go on in the man. Like your woman can plan something, shit, she'll go through it. Man makes some plans. I get a good hour and a half.
That's the wrong person text me. I might not come.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, I gotta go over here.
Give me some that. I had a little therapy session going on today. That mama hurt my damn nigga. My back popped. I damn near stood up from a laying down position. You know how they I can't do this leg. They do my leg up like that and they push it down. And when I let it went pop. He said, you heard that? I said, yeah, I felt that. Did it hurt? Nah, it didn't really hurt. So we gonna let me see what's going on. He did it again. This leg really messed up. He pushed that mug. He said that hurt. I said, yeah. He wouldn't get off of it. I wanted to punch his ass. But I ain't want to get thrown up out of there. He let it go. That son of a bitch got stuck like this. And he did like that. Bop! I damn near stood up in this.
Down there stood up on the table.
I wanted to cuss his ass out so much. Like, I started hearing shit like this. I'm talking about, it sound like somebody running, right? I turned around. Nigga, that damn great dance by this time. Great. Running at my head. Nigga, I don't have no spikes on. I just jumped. shot that damn strap around that damn pole and caught it. I would have been damn pole like a lumberjack. Had to stay there, cause his ass sat down at the bottom of the pole. I had picked up my radio, called my buddy Boone. Hey Boone. Yeah man. Hey man, I'm over here, gave my address. You need to come over here, run this dog away, mace his ass or something. Cause I'm finna come down the pole. But I'm up there with a spike in the pole like this. Had all my weight on this son bitch, lean back with a safety strap. He came over there just in time. Cause when I got down, I got halfway down. Man, just came on down to the ground. The dog was gone, I ain't good for See, I'm bad shit when I got that mace on my hip.
Nah, I'm glad.
Did you just slap the shit out that boy?
Whatever the fuck that was.
Out of midair.
Yeah.
You just slap the shit out of it.